Alright people, welcome back. Thank you for being here. Now, I'll be honest with you, I had a completely different video planned out to do in my mind. But I made a pretty bold assertion recently. Yes, I did. And I didn't really elaborate on that, and that is bad form. Bad form indeed. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you by method of reductio ad absurdum that mathematics is not reality. And if you're thinking, why does this even need to be said? There is a growing, I wouldn't exactly say cult, but basically cult, because they base it on an unfalsifiable claim, just like any cult or religion, that believes in ontological mathematics, that reality by nature is essentially mathematical. And I say that that misses a lot of it, and that it's a fallacy of composition to view that as the reality. So here's how I'm going to challenge it, okay? Firstly, I'm going to show you that the concept of number, the concept of integer, exists independently of any qualitative aspect of reality. Okay? So here's how I'm going to do it. Let's say that you have 3 apples, and you sell one of them. How many do you have left? All you have to do is take away one. You got 2 left, right? But the same would apply if you had 3 ducks. And you sold one of them, or ate one of them, or whatever, and then you also have 2 left by taking away 1. Okay? So that integer value, that number, exists independently of what the thing is, but also what the thing is qualitatively exists independently of the integer value of the number, and ultimately of the mathematics. So you can see that there is at least one aspect of reality that does not correlate with mathematics. Now, let's show how there is a way, or rather an aspect of imagination, which does correlate with mathematics, but which has nothing to do with physical reality. Okay? And here's the definition of reality. And that is, let's take a word problem just like we did before. Same example actually, how about we do it this way? I have 3 apples. I sell one of them. How many do I have left? 2. But the reality is, I don't have any apples. It's just imaginary. It's just an example. It's just a hypothesis. It's hypothetical. Huh? And as I will get to in future videos, certainly, because it definitely needs to be said in an aspect of theoretical physics, yes, that people assume that just because they can come up with these mathematical conjectures, that they must be physical reality. Yes, they do. So I'm going to talk about that in further videos, alright? But, for now, I say that pretty much sums it up. I've given you examples of reality, an aspect of it that doesn't correlate with mathematics, and then given you an example of how something which does not exist in physical reality can be mapped mathematically. And so there is not a one-to-one correlation between mathematics and reality. Done.